Actually, in a world that wants more efficiency, more effectiveness, and less waste, AI helping with the demand planning, so we have the right quantity to help the patient where it's needed, when it's needed, is fantastic. There are so many examples, and it's all real, and it's all happening today. Let's get the AI to do the mundane stuff. Let's get the AI to actually help us focus on where we can really, really add value and make a difference. And I think that's the power and the exciting part of all of this.
So that's, I think, the automation of R&D is really something, the shortening of R&D. So we're not looking at 10, 15-year cycles anymore. We're looking at 2 to 5 year cycles, really. And what that means in a population health setting is that we can much faster react to any emerging trends within population health. So that's a key part of where machine learning and algorithms can help us to go. What I think is lacking is very often is funding, and is a way of getting started. And that's where not just our biome from Novartis, but also other companies are running their own innovation labs. That's where they come in, because they can be that connector from industry also to the NHS. And the in with the NHS is very often the big problem that these startups have. So they have a great idea, they might have launched already, and they may have already have 1 or 2 customers, but they can't scale. And that's where Novartis and Novartis Biome can come in, help them scale. And ultimately, it's a piece about funding. Do you have enough money? And also, do you have the skills to scale?
What is the biggest ethical challenge? It's how to design, develop, deliver and implement AI that marries up to this clinical bioethical model, which is defined by Beauchamp and Childress, which essentially is 4 parameters. Beneficence, do good, try your best for the patient. Non-maleficence, try and avoid harm. Autonomy, respect an individual's decision-making capability, but try and make that an informed decision. Help them understand what's happening to them and why it needs to happen. An increasing amount of pragmatic and practical regulation with teeth for there to be a baseline, a safety net that gives people an increasing amount of confidence in how their data is going to be processed and used. Equally, we need to be explicit in consent, regardless of the organization size, regardless of where it is, so that there is that piece of informed autonomy right from the get-go. And I think slowly but surely that will improve.